back here on Bryan's 59 Lincoln. So, we've had a leak, and it's basically at the drain plug on the oil pan for quite a while. And of course, last time we changed the oil, it got worse because it already has a double oversized plug in it. Hit up the usual old school early Lincoln vendors, and of course, no one had a good pan available. New, used, new, old stock, whatever, anything for this car. So, we're going to do what I've been doing on quite a few of these classics that have hard to find, or, well, hard to find pans mostly, but also the client doesn't want to spend hours upon hours changing the pan, or they gotta go and they have to drive the car and it's the next day, and of course you know how this is. So I've been putting these magnetic plugs. These are very strong, kind of like a rare earth magnet. I'm putting these in a lot of these old classic cars because they're rubber with this massive magnet on them. So basically, when it goes ka-chung, the rubber conforms to the shape of the pan, and it definitely keeps them from leaking. And of course, you have to have the little tool to remove it because the magnet's so strong, you're not going to grab that with a pair of channel locks or anything. So, got to have the little tool. So I always leave the tool with whatever car gets the plug. So I was up here about 2 weeks ago, and Bryan and I cleaned this pan out entirely. Now mind you, before we cleaned this pan out, it was sitting for 4 weeks, and we literally had to dump a bag of cat litter into the pan to soak up the oil to clean it up out of the pan. So this isn't very much, but we're going to definitely pull the drain plug. You can see the drip. Yep. It's right at the plug. So I'm going to pull the plug, get everything nice and clean, put the nice plug, and go from there. Okay, so this plug obviously dripped out. You can see it's one of those oversized self-tapper hot mess expresses. Fun. Fun. Yep. Half tapping. Just great. That means somebody down the road screwed up. So as you can see, there's some burred up, nasty upsets here. Everything's pretty bad right here. I don't know if somebody screwed up and tried to fix this or what, but it's really bad. So I'm going to take my little cordless Dremel, well, Milwaukee cordless thing. It's just a Dremel, even though that's the brand name. And I'm going to take, and I'm going to get this as smooth as I can, so there's no upsets, so the magnet can actually seal. So, got the burrs down and away, but there's a lot of scuzz. But at least it doesn't have an upset anymore. Problem is, it's so dented, I'm worried about the plug sealing, so we will see here in a moment. Well, that answers that question. Oh, God. It's just so bad where it goes, because it's not straight anymore at all. It's so bent. The whole pan is just jacked up. So now we either gotta find a vendor who has one, which has been next to impossible. Oh, it's just so beat up and nasty. That can't seal because it can't sit flush. I mean, usually you can't even pull them out. So that tells me, I mean, I can feel it too, but you know, that thing is beat to shit.